Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get full res in Type Soul. This is going to allow you to get full resurrection for completely free using a Type Soul code. Really easy, and this works right now in 2025. So you can also get other things using these codes as well, such as Bankai and Fullbringer. So I'm going to be running through the steps that you need to take to get full res for free. First step, guys, is make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and of course I'll be making more tutorials like this, so I highly recommend you do that. And then you need to use your mobile phone. So you can see here, guys, I've got an iPhone. I've opened up the internet browser. You can do this on Android, and you can do this with any internet browser. And you've got to go to this website, coldcoupons.com. So you just type it like this into your internet browser, and it's going to take you to Cold Coupons. I've used this website so much over the past few months because they have codes for pretty much every game you can imagine. So if you go to that search bar at the top where it says search here, you can type in there Type Soul. And if you can actually spell, guys, it should pop up. There you go. There's a few different Type Soul codes working right now in 2025, and you can get a ton of different things. So as I mentioned, this is a Type Soul full res. So this is going to get full resurrection. You can get unlock Fullbringer, and you can unlock Bankai. So they do add and remove codes as they stop working, but this one is awesome. So this is how to get Type Soul full res. And this is a working code, guys, so you enter it into your Roblox Type Soul game in the redeem codes field, and it's going to supply you full resurrection. So you do need to unlock your code. These are limited codes, and it does take a few minutes to do this, guys, but it is super easy. I've already done it, and it does limit one of these verified codes per person. So what you're going to need to do is just click on get full code, follow the instructions. It's going to take you a few minutes. You have to complete a couple of tasks. Once you do that, your Type Soul code will be revealed. You can redeem it in game, and that is going to get you full res. You can also, like I said, get full Bankai, and you can get Fullbringer as well. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. But yeah, that is the Type Soul full resurrection, full res code. Head on over to Cold Coupons. Like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.